for web development and, JavaScript in general, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, of course. My IDE, my integrated development environment, my IDE of choice is Visual Studio Code. And so in this video, I want to show you how to download Visual Studio Code. If you just go to Google and say download Visual Studio Code, this first link here, download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, and Windows. I have a Mac, so this is what I recommend you do. Go ahead and click on the Mac icon and whatever your platform would be, your operating system, and in this case, just go ahead and download it and install. Now, I already have it installed, so I just wanted to show you that this is the IDE of my choice. So if you follow me in this course, this will be the easiest way because you'll see what I'm doing, and you'll be able to follow along within your Visual Studio Code editor as well. Now, JavaScript is an interpreted language, meaning whatever we type, our source code is the file that actually runs. It's very much like Python, and it is unlike Java, for example. So even though Java and JavaScript have the same Java, word being used in common, in other words, they're really different. They're really two different languages. There's nothing of them that you should kind of think are the same. So what I like to tell people is Java and JavaScript is like comparing grapes and grapefruits. So even though they both have grapes in the words, they're two different fruits and they don't taste anything alike. And that's the same thing with JavaScript and Java. They're two programming languages, but they couldn't be any different apart, right? So one, for example, Java, it is a compiled language. JavaScript is an interpreted language. And so we'll continue talking about these as we go on, but at the very least, you'll know the IDE that I'm using in this course.